Weekend weight gain is real. Sticking to a really good eating plan on the weekdays, but splurging on the weekends, puts you in the weight loss, weight gain cycle, causing your entire weight loss plan to backfire. For many, the weekend is about relaxation and social events that center around eating, often involving alcohol. And after a week of hard work, many people feel like they deserve a break. In fact, there is a study which shows that we tend to weigh the least on Friday mornings and the most on Sundays and Mondays. For many, Mondays are often about feeling guilty and unhappy and asking yourself, why did I have that whole pizza? Or why did I have that whole bottle of wine? I'm Dr. Trupti Patel, and today I want to share with you a few things that you can do to reduce weekend weight gain and promote weight loss. Stop depriving yourself during the week. Have some of what you want during the week so you don't binge on the weekends. In other words, if you deprive yourself of your favorites all week, you may increase the likelihood that you will overdo it on the weekend. Incorporate a few of your favorite foods, such as dark chocolate or light beer, into your eating plan throughout the week. Don't let the weekend turn into one drawn-out television and snacks session. Research suggests that being a couch potato could be worse for you than sitting at a desk all day. If you want to watch a show, have a glass of wine and a dessert, and don't have it all at once, but rather spread it out over the whole weekend. Also, take frequent breaks when watching television. Get up every hour and take 200 steps. Try cooking with friends instead of dining out. This way you have control over what you're cooking and eating. Spending time with friends doesn't require a fancy high-calorie dinner. Make it a fun evening as you cook a healthy meal together. Plan for parties. If you know you have an event in the evening, plan on eating fewer calories and save as many carbs as you can for the main meal. Then you can enjoy some dessert without feeling the guilt. If there is a buffet, then take smaller portions and make only one trip to the buffet table. Fill up on proteins and veggies first, then the carbs. Keep up a good sleep routine. When you get less sleep on the weekdays and try to make it up on the weekends, it can adversely affect your circadian rhythm. It increases your hunger hormones, increases your appetite and cravings. In fact, don't let your bedtime and wake-up time stray more than 2 hours from your normal sleep routine. To get some insight into how you're handling the weekends, try logging your food intake into an app such as MyFitnessPal for a few weeks. Document your meals and snacks, water intake, and energy levels every day. Then compare your weekday results to your weekend ones. Are your calories and carb intake significantly higher on the weekends? Sometimes logging your food intake for a week, including the weekends, is a great way to stay on track and take the guesswork out of what you're really eating that day. If you would like more information about our medically supervised weight loss program that has helped thousands of people successfully lose weight and keep it off, please visit www.healthymeweightloss.com. My team and I are ready to help you lose weight and feel your best.